नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल आयुर्वेद एंड हेल्थ विद एमकेवी। आज हम बात करेंगे फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम में आने वाले बहुत विभिन्न प्रकार के एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे फार्मास्यूटिक सब्जेक्ट में। जैसे पहला प्रश्न है इसमें, द संहिता इंक्लूड्स रेफरेंसेस टू ड्रग्स ऑफ एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स एंड मिनरल ओरिजिन यूज्ड अंटिल द फर्स्ट सेंचुरी एडी। संहिता में कौन से रेफरेंस ड्रग्स होते हैं जो कि एनिमल, प्लांट और मिनरल ओरिजिन के होते हैं, जो कि फर्स्ट सेंचुरी एडी तक में प्रयोग किए जाते थे? एबर्स, चरक, हिपोक्रेट्स, सुश्रुत। तो इसका सही आंसर है, करेक्ट आंसर इज चरक। दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज हु इज द फादर ऑफ मेडिसिन? ऑप्शन ए एबर्स, ऑप्शन बी हिपोक्रेट्स, ऑप्शन सी इजिप्शियन, ऑप्शन डी पोंटस। करेक्ट आंसर इज हिपोक्रेट्स। ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, use of formulations made up of the numerous plants are referred to as? Option A galenicals, option B parenterals, option C plant vehicles, option D generics. Option A is galenicals is right answer. Next question, the first pharmacy shop was opened in? Option A London, option B Baghdad, option C Bangalore, option D Damascus. Correct answer is option B Baghdad. Question number 5, the first edition of IP was published in which year? Option A 1965, option B 1975, option C 1955, option D 1985. Correct answer is 1955 में सबसे पहला IP का एडिशन आया था। Question number 6, the second edition of IP was published in 1955, option B 1966, option C 1985, option D 1990। तो दोस्तों आईपी का जो दूसरा एडिशन था वो आया था 1966 में। द थर्ड एडिशन ऑफ आईपी वाज पब्लिश्ड इन? आईपी का जो थर्ड पब्लिकेशन है, एडिशन है, कब आया था? ऑप्शन ए 1995, ऑप्शन बी 1990, ऑप्शन सी 1960, ऑप्शन डी 1975। ऑप्शन ए इज 1985। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, द फोर्थ एडिशन ऑफ आईपी वाज पब्लिश्ड इन 1985, ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी 1990, ऑप्शन सी 1960, ऑप्शन डी 1996। फोर्थ एडिशन जो आईपी का आया था वो 1996 में आया था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, द फिफ्थ एडिशन ऑफ आईपी वाज पब्लिश्ड इन विच ईयर? ऑप्शन ए 1996, ऑप्शन बी 2000, ऑप्शन सी 2007, ऑप्शन डी 2010, ऑप्शन सी 2007। द सिक्स्थ एडिशन ऑफ आईपी वाज पब्लिश्ड इन विच ईयर? 2005, option A, option B 2008, option C 2010, option D 2012, option C is right, 2010. Question number 11, the seventh edition of IP was published in which year? 2014, option A, option B 2015, option C 2013, option D 2000, option A is right, 2014. Question number 12, the chairman of the first edition of IP was Dr. B.N. Ghosh, Dr. B. Mukherjee, Dr. Nityanand, Mr. Prasanna Tota. Correct answer is A, Dr. B.N. Ghosh. Question number 13, the Pharmacy Act came in force in? Option A 1947, option B 1948, option C 1949, option D 1950. The Pharmacy Act came into force in the year 1948. Question number 14, a Pharmacy Council of India, which is known as PCI, was established in which year? Option A 1947, option B 1948, option C 1949, option D 1950. Correct answer is option C 1949. What is USP? USP, option A United States Pharmacology, United States Pharmacy, the United States Pharmacopoeia, and the United States Pharmaceuticals. So full form of USP is United States Pharmacopoeia. Question number 16, the first US Pharmacopoeia was published in which year? Option A 1820, option B 1822, option C 1823, option D 1821. Correct answer is option A 1820. Question number 17. The first national formulary was published in which year? Option A 1860, option B 1885, option C 1888, option D 1890. Correct answer is option C 1888. Question number 18. Supplement to the first edition of IP was published in which year? Option A 1960, option B 1975, option C 1965, option D 1968. The first edition of IP was published in the year 1955 and the first supplement to this first edition of the IP was published in the year 1960. Question number 19. Supplement of second edition of IP was published in which year? Option A 1960, option B 1975, option C 1965, option D 1968. Correct answer is option B 1975. Question number 20. Drugs converted to suitable form are known as option A excipients, option B source of drug, option C dosage form, option D API. तो दोस्तों ड्रग्स जो कि हम किसी भी सुटेबल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है दैट इज नोन एज डोसेज फॉर्म, जैसे कि टैबलेट। ठीक है, तो टैबलेट पैरासीटामोल है तो पैरासीटामोल को हमने टैबलेट के फॉर्म में लिया तो डोसेज फॉर्म हो गया, ओरल डोसेज फॉर्म हो गया। फुल फॉर्म ऑफ MDI इज रिफर्ड टू एज ऑप्शन ए मीटर डोज इनहेलर, ऑप्शन बी मीटर्ड डोज इनलेशन, ऑप्शन सी मीटर्ड ड्रग इंजेक्शन, ऑप्शन डी मीटर्ड ड्रग इन्फ्यूजन। तो करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ MDI इज मीटर डोज इनहेलर। Question number 22. Every dosage form is a combination of the drug and different kind of non-drug components called as. तो इसको हिंदी में कैसे अगर हम कन्वर्ट करें, जो भी डोसेज फॉर्म है उसके अंदर एक ड्रग होता है, एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ नॉन ड्रग कंपोनेंट होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं एक्सिपियंट्स। ठीक है, दैट इज नॉन एक्टिव फार्मास्यूटिकल इंग्रेडिएंट। The correct options are option A additives, option B non-additives, option C new chemical entity, option D all of these. The correct answer to question number 22 is option A additives. Question number 23. Simple syrup is a saturated solution of which of the following? Option A sucrose, option B fructose, option C dextrose, option D none of the above these. Option A correct answer is option A sucrose. In purified water, the concentration of the sugar according to the IP is option A 67% W by weight by weight, option B 66.7% weight by weight, option C 77% weight by weight, option D 65% weight by weight. Correct answer to this is option B 66.7% weight by volume. Exactly is weight by volume, not it is weight by weight. Question 25. The stabilization process is well suited for mixing of the which of the following powder? Option A hygroscopic, option B volatile, option C eutectic, option D effervescent. The correct answer is option C eutectic mixtures. Question 26. Which of the following is a eutectic substance? Option A menthol, option B thymol, option C camphor, option D all of the above. So correct answer is option D all of these. Menthol, thymol and camphor, all three are eutectic substances. Question 27. A convenient method for mixing redox substance is option A spatulation, option B tumbling, option C sipping, option D trituration. Convenient method for mixing redox substances are option A is spatulation. Question number 28. Capsules in which powders are enclosed are made up of gelatin, rice flour, option C fructose, option D dextrose. The capsules in which powder are enclosed are made up of the gelatin. Question number 29. Dowkers are meant for application in which? Option A buccal cavity, option C rectal cavity, option C vaginal cavity, option D nasal cavity. The correct answer question number 29. Douches are meant for application in the vaginal cavity. Question number 30. In females, the drug should be given very carefully in which stage? Menstruation, lactation, pregnancy, option D all of these. The correct answer is all of these. In females, drugs should be given very carefully in all these stages. Question number 31. When two or more drugs are used in combination to increase the pharmacological action, the phenomena is known as option A synergism, option B tolerance, option C potentiation, option D idiosyncrasy. Correct answer to the question number 31 is synergism. Question number 32. When the action of the drug is opposed by other drug, the phenomena is known as option A antagonism, option B analgesic, option C addition, option D antioxidant. तो दोस्तों when the action of the drug is opposed by the other drug, यानी एक ड्रग आपने ली है और आपने दूसरी ड्रग ली है तो उसके एक्शन को रिवर्ट कर रही है, अपोज कर रही है, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे एंटागोनिज्म. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. Dash is the state of psychic and physical drug dependence. Option A habituation, option B addiction, option C anxiety, option D tolerance. Correct answer question number 33 is addiction. Addiction is a state of psychic and physical drug dependence. डिपेंडेंस की दोस्तों स्पेलिंग थोड़ी सी छूट गई है, माफ करिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. Acute tolerance is also known as option A addiction, option B idiosyncrasy, option C tachyphylaxis, option D habituation. Acute tolerance is also known as tachyphylaxis because it can be used during the disease. Question number 35. A genetically determined abnormal or unusual response to a drug is option A idiosyncrasy, option B tolerance, option C genetic polymorphism, and option D salicylism. Correct answer to question number 35 is option A idiosyncrasy. Idiosyncrasy is genetically determined abnormal or unusual response to a drug. Question number 36. Powders are used for external use are option A dusting powder, option B bulk powder, option C divided powder, option D effervescent powder. Powders which are used for external use are dusting powders. Question number 37. Bulk powders are option A potent, option B non-potent, option C both A and B, and option D none. Bulk powders are non-potent is the correct answer. Question 38. Insufflations are introduced into which of these cavities? Option A none, nose, option B throat, option C ears, and option D all of these. Insufflations are applicable to all the above: nose, throat, and ears. Question 39. Powders are more stable than syrup, tablet, capsule, and elixirs. Option A is right answer, syrup. Question number 40. A suitable dash is added to maintain the powder until the mass becomes coherent but not too damp. Option A coloring agent, option B flavoring agent, option C shortening agent, option D granulating agent. Option D is right, granulating agent. Question number 41. What will increase the bulk of the product? Processing. Option A processing aid, option B diluent, option C granulating agent, option D organoleptic additive. Option B is right, diluent. According to IP 2007, the oral powders are option A finely divided, option B bulk powders, option C effervescent powders, option D Dauch powders. According to IP 2007, oral powders are finely divided is right answer. Which powder must be sterilized before their use? Option A medicated dusting powder, option B non-medicated powders, option C natural dusting powder, option D surgical dusting powder. So correct answer is option D surgical dusting powder. The monophasic liquid dosage form is dash solutions. Option A true, option B coarse, option D fine, C fine, option D micro. Monophasic liquid dosage form is true solutions. Question number 45. The component present in solution in a small quantity is known as solvent, option B solution, option C solute, option D liquid. Component present in the small solution in the small quantity is known as a solute. Question number 46. The component present in the solution in large quantity is known as option A solvent, option B solution, option C solute, option D liquid. The component that is present in the solution in the large quantity is known as solvent is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 47. Solutions are present are dash dosage form. Option A monophasic, option B biphasic, option C triphasic, option D solid. Solutions are monophasic dosage form. Question 48. Throat paints are liquid preparations. Option A viscous, option B non-viscous, option C solid, option D gaseous. तो ऑप्शन ए विस्कस is the correct answer to this question. Question number 49. Nasal drops should have a pH of option A 5 to 6, option B 6 to 7, option C 7 to 8, option D 8 to 9. Option A is the correct answer, 5 to 6. Nasal drops are isotonic, hypertonic, hypotonic, and option D none. Nasal drops are isotonic in nature. Then last question is enemas are also called as option A elixir, option B suspension, option C emulsion, option D clystric. Option enemas are clystric. Thank you to all of you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video, and we will come with the new video on the pharmacy MCQ questions of other subject also. So प्लीज़ कनेक्ट विद अस। धन्यवाद आप सबका।